Okay, so what we will be showing you in this video is how to assemble your pedals to your recumbent bike. What you will do is first make sure that the correct pedal is being installed. So on this pedal there is a R to correctly assemble to the right crank. Right pedal, right crank. So what we will do is go ahead and assemble the right pedal onto the right crank. To make sure this is fully tightened, please be sure to use the tool that is provided to go ahead and fully tighten the pedal onto the crank. What we will do is go ahead and install the left pedal. The left pedal is going to be counterclockwise. Once again, once you go ahead and install the left pedal, please make sure that you tighten the pedal